Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at GALA or GALA Games. GALA Games is currently at the 0.0253 at the time of recording, currently ranked at 96 with a market cap of about $701 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $42 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for Gala Games. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So in the last 1 week, we are down 8% right here on Gala, and in the last 24 hours we are down about 0.8%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart. We are on the chart right here for Gala versus the USD dollars. We're on the 4 hourly time frame. Binance is steady to source, right? And so we are on the chart right here for Gala Games. We said prices always move from level to level, level to levels. And as you can see, Gala Games has been respecting all our levels, right? But we have seen this sort of silent push to the downside. The Gala Games is forming these sort of descending triangles, and I'm sorry to say, but 80% of the times, the descending triangles usually break to the upside, right? And so that is to say, it is just gloom and doom. 20% of the time, we also have seen some breakouts to the upside right here for descending triangles. So currently, we could say that is some sort of a 50-50 situations, but most of the time, these usually break to the downside, right? So this is something we would be watching. We are very, very close to the tip of our triangle. So in any moment in the next 48 hours, we are or with a high probability would see a break either to the downside or to the upside, and that could determine whatever would happen to Gala, right? But other things you should take note of, right, apart from this triangle right here, which is forming for Gala, these descending triangles, also is just looking at our EMAs, right? So basically just looking at our EMAs, you would remember in October, right? I'm just trying to give you a hint of why we are saying danger. On October, the moment we saw prices went above our bull market EMA, we became very, very bullish. We said prices have pushed above the bull market EMA. We were forming structure above the bull market EMA. And the moment we confirmed, we were saying expect some sort of massive push to the upside, right? And we saw that push to the upside. Currently, as you can see right here for Gala Games, we lost the bull market EMA, tried to reclaim it, failed. We are forming structure below the bull market EMA. That means with a high likelihood we could see that dump right here to or having a Goblin Town scenario, right? Also, just looking at the volume profile, we are not seeing much uh volume, right? Buy volume from the bulls. As you can see, we saw this huge push to the upside, but we eventually got sold out right here from the bears, and so we are not seeing much buy pressure from the bulls, and so we need to see the bulls coming with much buy pressure and come above the bull market EMA. If not, guys, we could see another Goblin Town scenario right there for Gala. Another thing we also want to take note of right here is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king of the market, and Bitcoin is forming this sort of what we call a shooting star candle scenario. So the way shooting star candle scenario is, we see the push to the upside, we form this sort of shooting star candlestick, and we see this reversal, right? This is a textbook pattern. As you can see, this is from a textbook market shooting star candlestick. We usually see an uptrend, a little or no lower shadow, as you can see right here, small real body, and then we see this upper or at least twice as big candle to the upside, or strand to the upside, which we are seeing right here. Huge strand to the upside, upper a small candle weak, and then we could see a beginning of a downtrend, right? So that is exactly what we are forming on Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin on the weekly right here. And so as you can see, this is one of the most bearish scenarios. Shooting star signals are potentially downside reversal and most effective after two consecutive rising candles having higher high. As you can see on Bitcoin, we do not have three, we have eight. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 eight candles forming higher highs, right? This could be another massive beginning of another massive downtrend, as we have formed that shooting star candlestick. and you know, right, Bitcoin is the king of the market. If we see a massive pull to the downside in Bitcoin, that could invariably affect the Gala games, which could mean that we could see that massive push to the downside right here for Bitcoin, right? So this is something you should take note of, right? That we could see that Goblin Town scenario. So you want to watch this level right here. If we see a daily candle close below this level right here, then guys, below the 0.0238, then guys, we are in for a Goblin Town scenario right here for Gala Games, right? So that's the update right here on Gala Games. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.